just a nice day with my little. Hey, put that camera away from me. What are you talking about? See, I don't like doing this crap. You always put this camera near me. Stop it, you crazy rat. I don't like this at all. Okay. For the last time, put that camera away from me. I like his ear. Scooby, tell him to do this over here. You know you hate it. Hello, little bogey. What the heck is that noise? It sounds like a dragging. A bee dragging. Yeah. Okay. I lick safe because me not me dirty. Because alright, turn the camera to Scooby right now. These little doggies. What the hell? That's Scooby. This doggy right here. Okay, now put the camera to me. And this doggy right here. Put that torch out on me. Look at the thing on my face. Look. Okay. Now I hate you cameraman. You get on my nerves. Oh, you human boy. Humans get on my nerves. Oh. Okay. Now I will bite you. Oh no! No! Crazy little doggy.
What time is it?
Oh crap, the lady's coming. No!
Huh? A little bit after 1. Alright, what's that?
Why is this lady here? I thought she was in the bathroom. Gosh darn it. I'm busy
What's
here.
outside?
I'm busy here, lady.
AJ, I know I hear you talk. I know you hear me talking to you.
So I'm the ultimate
I don't
donkey.
care what you're doing.